Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix a JavaScript error occurred in the main process Discord error here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. Okay, so the very first step that you need to do is at the button search bar, you need to type for CMD. And the moment you've typed that, wait for the system called command prompt will appear. Here you need to go with run as administrator, so click on it and your user account control will ask yes the moment you've clicked on it. Just have to simply click on yes so that you would be able to proceed here in this blank window. Here you need to type task kill space forward slash f space forward slash im space discord dot exe. Just have to follow this command, okay? Again, it is task kill space forward slash f space forward slash im space discord dot exe. So just have to click on enter. And once it is done, just have to type exit and then close this window. Okay. So our very next step is here at the button search bar, you need to search for control panel. Okay. So here at the best match, you need to click on open to proceed. And under the all control panel items, just have to change this view into category. Okay. And once you have set it, proceed to programs and there you can see an option called uninstall a program under that. Just simply click on it. And here you need to look for Discord. So in my case, I don't have such, okay? But in your case, you have, since you are facing an error and you are installing the specific program, then just have to click on that and then go with uninstall. Okay? So once you have the click on it, just have to click on yes to uninstall the program. And once you are done, just have to close this window and let's move on to our next step. Okay? So our next step is you need to do a right click here at the start icon, then go with run. So here in this small window, please tap percentage app data percentage. Then click on OK. Once you have the click on it, you'll be redirected here. Here you need to look for a folder named Discord. Okay, if you don't see such, just have to click this view, go with show, and make sure that this hidden items is checked. Okay, and as well as go with the three dots and then go with options. And here the folder options, go to view and then make sure that this show hidden files, folders, and drives is turned on and then apply and then OK. So once you're done, you would be able to see the folder named Discord. In my case, I don't have such because again, I am not installing such. Okay, just have to select on that and then click this trash bin to delete, or you can simply press Shift to delete here in your keyboard to permanently delete the folder. Once you're done, just have to close this window and then you need to navigate the same process, which is to open run again. Just have to do a right click once again and there you would be able to find run. Here, this time you need to type percentage local app data percentage. Then click on OK. Okay. So here you need to look again for a file folder named Discord. Okay. So if you don't see such, just have to click the three dots there, go with options, go with view, and make sure that this show hidden files, folders, and drives is turned on, then apply and then OK. And then go with view and then go with show and make sure that this hidden items is checked. And here you need to select a Discord. Let's say for example, this is a Discord. Then have to click this trash bin once again to delete the item or the folder. Then you can also press shift to delete in your keyboard. Okay. So once you have successfully removed or deleted, just have to close this window. And here you need to do a right click here, the start icon again, go with run. And this time we need to type for services dot msc. Then click on OK. So the moment you click on it, just have to wait until a new window would appear, which is called services itself. Here, just have to select any of the system and service, typed Q in your keyboard, and there you would be able to see the very first option, which is quality Windows audio video experience. Just have to do a right click, okay, and go with properties. And here, under the startup type, make it automatic. If it's set in manual disabled or automatic delayed start, then click on start, then click on apply, and then OK. So once you have changed the status, I mean the startup type into automatic, there you can see, you just have to close this window and you need to visit any of your favorite browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, and please search for Discord and visit any of the official website and then try to download and install it. Okay, you simply can simply click this download button. Okay, so that's it. Those are the steps on how to fix your problem. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.